Today we're making something fun for the kitchen. I never know where to put my phone or my tablet or my cookery books when I'm busy baking, and they're forever getting dirty and covered in whatever I'm using in the kitchen. So we have found this lovely little display that we can use in the kitchen to place those items on. I have used the lavender print from Granny B in the Deco Chic range. I have cut the item to size and I've painted it in the Purple Rain with a little bit of white, and I've painted the background white as that makes the colors in the print pop. And I will be applying this with the Granny B Decoupage. We apply our Granny B Decoupage to the item. Such a lovely product to use. And it sticks the decoupage print beautifully. I will position my print. And if I've positioned my print and I see that it's not positioned correctly, whilst it's still wet, I can still remove it and reposition it so that it is where I want it. And I gently flatten it with my hands. If your print has got any folds in it prior to using it, you can put a cloth over it and iron it with a very low temperature iron to get any folds out of it. Once this is done and there are edges, as you can see here, you can take either a blade or a sanding block and sand those edges off at an angle and tidy them up. When using a blade, I always say to the people to wait until the item is actually fully dried. Of course, this is not going to go in easy. It never does when you're doing a video. But there, we have a beautiful print on our kitchen recipe book holder.